What's good, YouTube? American RX at it again. Yeah, just gonna be discussing the importance of identity and knowing who you are and detaching yourself from corporate constructs or colonial constructs that was set up on the Americas or the lands of America to denationalize and remove us from our natural habitat. Now, this is a case that went a precedence, a case law that happened in 2007, Saramaka versus Suriname, right? If in case you don't know who the Saramaka is who you call the Maroons in Suriname, and as you know, the Maroons are the rebellious ones who didn't um, uh, submit to the encomienda and um, you know remove themselves to the remote areas of the islands and the mainland. Okay, so this is Saramaka versus Suriname case, and this is what it reads. This case addresses indigenous people's rights to their land and their struggle against encroachment by mining and logging companies carrying out activities on their territory on the basis of concessions granted by the state without consultation with indigenous people. The court found state committed violations of the American Convention against the members of the Saramaka people, a tribal community living in the upper Suriname River region, by failing to adopt effective measures to recognize the Saramaka people. All right. Where am I? The Saramaka people. A tribal community living in the upper Suriname River region, by failing to adopt effective measures to recognize the Saramaka people right to the use and enjoyment of the territory they traditionally occupied and used. The state also failed to provide Saramaka people with the right to effective access to justice for the protection of their fundamental rights, particularly the right to own property in accordance with their communal traditions. Lastly, the state failed to adopt domestic legal provisions in order to ensure and guarantee such right to the Saramaka people. So, this is what the effect of what knowing yourself is can do, and it's very powerful to know who you are, right? These are Arawakan people, mislabeled Maroons, right? And this is like a breakdown of the case. So you should look up what the Inter-American Convention on Human Rights is, and read up on it and see what provisions are there for you. You know what I mean? Are your particular people or your particular tribe? All right. So these are the judges that was on the case. See, preparations provide monetary damages or costs and expenses. See, so here, all right. So I'm gonna get back to this book too, right here, right. I think I come way too. All right, over here, all right. Same book from the library. Over here it discusses. If you read, you will see. Right here, it clearly says that Congress may not take Indian property for non-Indian use without paying just compensation, and it may not arbitrarily give tribal assets to some tribal members but not others, right? So once you know who you are, and as I stated before, the Civil Rights Act of 1968 conferred the Bill of Rights over to Indians as well, and tribes. Not saying that you need to be subject to the United States. I mean, they are obligated to make sure that our rights are not violated by no entity, right? Regardless, okay? So you gotta look what will work for you and what doesn't work for you. But the Civil Rights Act is, you gotta read it because it is somewhere in it talks about being subject to the United States. So you gotta be careful of that as well. But at the same time, you gotta know how to like comb through these things, you know what I mean? And see how it could work for you or your tribe or your people. So that's what I just wanted to discuss with you guys. As far as if you know who you are, do your genealogy, track your people, talk to your elders. You could have protections as far as setting up your own little entity to either do business or be like an interface with these invaders. Okay, so it's very important to know yourself. All right, and we as a people, indigenous people on this landmass are these lands, because we are talking about the entire Americas here. We're not just talking about one area. Okay, before there was a United States, before there was a Jamaica, before there was a Barbados, before there was a Trinidad, what was it called? That's where we're going back to pre-colonial. Okay, so keep your mind uncolonized and get back to the land. Okay, all right, so peace out.